Sending a screenshot without saving it to the gallery is a very useful option when you want to share content without keeping it on your device. Here's how you can do it on a Samsung device. First, take a screenshot on your phone. You can do this by pressing the volume down button and the power button at the same time. After taking the screenshot, tap the share icon in the window at the bottom of the screen. A new window will open where you need to select the delete after sharing option located above the screenshot. Then choose the app through which you want to send the screenshot. I will choose the Viber app. And that's it. Now you've sent a screenshot without saving it to the gallery. Finally, I will check if the screenshot is in my gallery. As you can see, it's not there. This really works. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips.